Let's talk about 20 major map locations for this month. Mansa district is known as area of white gold. It is known for cotton cultivation, and it is also known for spread of Sikhism. It has the largest thermal power plant, and this is has been mentioned in the November edition of Down to Earth, the Cotton Belt of Punjab. The next is CSIR lab, which is Institute of Himalayan Bioresource Technology. This is based in Palampur in Himachal Pradesh and has been engaged with various bioresources and modern biology research. It also provides PhD in biological and chemical sciences. It has various facilities for nutricells, animal house facilities, herbarium, and it is located in the Kangra district. The next is Kannauj district in Uttar Pradesh, known as the perfume capital of India. It is also known for traditional Kannauji perfume, and it has more than 200 perfume distilleries which are there. It is also a market center for Itra, tobacco, rose water, and 80% of the population here is engaged directly or indirectly in perfume making industry. The native dialect is Kannauji, and you also have the archaeological museum which is located here. Lakhimpur Kheri district in Uttar Pradesh. Here you have numerous sugar mills. So small sugar mills as well as big integrated plants are seen. Pilibhit Tiger Reserve is also located here. This center has recently started menthol mint farming in the Tarai areas, because Tarai area is a region which is ideal for mint cultivation, and this district has been designated as minority concentrated district, which is located here. The next is Kaimur Wildlife Sanctuary, located in Kaimur, Bihar. Now this has developed into a tiger reserve as well. It is located near the town of Bhabua, and it is the second reserve in Bihar after Valmiki Reserve. The 19th meeting of the National Tiger Conservation Authority has proposed and finalized this as a new destination. The next is Sopal district in Bihar. One of the important feature was that the barn owl has been recently sighted. Barn owl is not native to India. It is native to US, UK and European nations. It is known as Tyto alba, and this breed can be seen any time of the year in the tropical region, could breed at any time of the year in the tropical region. It has a squarish tail and long wings. So this Sopal was in news. Pakur district in Jharkhand is known for beedi making industry. This is a subdivision of Santhal Pargana district of Bihar, and there are three main rivers passing through this region, which are Bansoli, Toroi and Brahmani. So again, important location, Pakur district. Fake district in Nagaland. Here we have richest mineral deposits of marble stone, coal, brine, salt, and the pheasant which is known as blight stregophan. A beautiful bird has been located here. The three important tribes which are seen here are Kheza, Chokri and Pochri. Again, the fake district, the name fake is derived from Fakrik days, which means a watchtower. And three important rivers of this region are Tizu, Lane and Sidzu. Mon district in Nagaland, again an important region. Here you have Konyak Nagas who belong to this region. Konyak are the largest tribes among Nagas, and Along is the most colorful festival which is celebrated for Konyaks every year in the first week of April. So this is about the Mon district. Then we have Anantapura district in Andhra Pradesh. It is one of the major producers of dolomite and iron ore. Anantapur Dharmavaram region is known for pure silk sarees. There is Tadipatri region which is known for granite and cement. So those are two of the important regions within Anantapur. So Anantapur district in Andhra Pradesh important. Dharmavaram is known for the silk sarees, and Tatipatri is known for granite and cement. Chittoor district in Andhra Pradesh is where you have jaggery from Aragonda, which is close to Chittor, is found, and Poni River Valley is located here. Again, it is known for production of mangoes, peanuts and sugar canes. Pochampalli village in Telangana Telangana is a really interesting village. So this village has been selected by UN for best tourism, ecotourism village, and under the UN World Tourism Organization. The best known thing about Pochampalli is it is known for ikat sarees, and ikat sarees are basically the dyeing process along with the silk and the cotton fabric is known as ikat. The next is Fansad village, the Fansad Wildlife Sanctuary. It is located in Raigad in Maharashtra. Here, the forest was used for hunting by the rulers of Murund, and now you have yellow-footed green pigeon known as Harial, which is spotted in this region. Interesting, since it is located in Western Ghats, it is home to numerous endemic species here. Gondia district in Maharashtra has highest number of rice mills in Maharashtra. It is also known as the rice city. It is known as Godia or Gondia, and it has more than 1,000 rice mills. Naxeria Wildlife Sanctuary and Navgaon National Park are located here. More than 60% of the various bird species are found in this region. Guhara and Ratnagiri district in Maharashtra is one of the longest beaches of the Konkan coast. It is one of the very attractive places known for coconut, betel nut and mango trees. Also, this is known for various tourist attraction, and a marine biological research station was established by the Department of Fisheries here. Mathur in the Shivmoga district in Karnataka. Here, Sanskrit is used in day-to-day conversation. The residents of this Mathur actually are from ancient Brahmin community, and it has a village known as it has a village Pathshala within the center of the city. Also, most of the people here cultivate paddy and ikra nuts. The most important thing, as we said, is the daily language of communication here is Sanskrit. The next is Center for Management in Agriculture located in Ahmedabad. Now, Ago Group set up in 1963 looks after the problems of agricultural sector, and it was redesigned as Center for Management in Agriculture. The idea is to modernize agricultural food and bring it to the people. The next is Guda West in Bikaner. Here, new lignite-based thermal power plant has been developed, and therefore was in news in the Hindu edition recently. So, generation of power would now become easier here. Dingdul district in Tamil Nadu. Dindigul district is known for tannery, textile industry. It is also known as biryani city. It is famous for its biryanis and is one of the part of ancient settlements. So Chola, Pallav dynasty and later Pandya dynasties were part of it. Government is planning to bring a draft sport air policy, and 4 of the centers have been identified as air sports stations. So it is Bir Baling in Himachal Pradesh, Hadapsar near Pune in Maharashtra, Vagamon in Kerala, and then you have Gangtok in Sikkim as the famous locations where air sports centers would be established. So those were some of the important locations that we have discussed in this lecture. Stay tuned for many more updates from our side, and the detail on the geography optional course and the video lectures are now available also on a monthly basis. So for more details, refer the link below. Wish you very good luck for your preparation.